What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to introduce my son's GoPro build, so let's have a look at it. Alright, so if this is your first visit to the channel, I'm Paul, and yes, the channel is primarily a Mustang channel, but this is my son's GoPro build. Sally and I are super proud of Marcus and what he's done to the car, so I'm gonna give you guys some info about it, what's been done, and then we'll go for a little rip. It's a 2017 GoPro tech package. It's got a really nice blue color. In certain lighting, you can see a purple hue come out. Give you guys the color code here. It's Lapis Blue. That's my son's Instagram handle. If you guys give him a follow, that would be much appreciated. He's just starting out. We got the car last October, and it was bone stock at the time. It was definitely family driven. They had a trailer hitch on the back, and I could see that there was a baby seat had been strapped in. Let's take a look inside. Really nice interior. The seats are really comfortable. They kind of feel like Recaros to me. Automatic with the DSG tranny. It's an impressive little tranny. Spacious little car, actually. You know, you get 4 people comfortably sitting in. Can you squeeze in 5? Yes, but 4 is more comfortable. 19-inch wheels. The rubber is a 235, 3519. You guys can see the huge brakes in there. Car stops on a dime. Marcus has added the Maxton design spoiler lip extension. It's actually a cool little wing here. Ties in really nicely with the stock setup. And then we ended up changing the rear diffuser. ECS tuning rear diffuser. They used to have a trailer hitch back here, and they ended up cutting into the OEM diffuser. So when we got rid of that, this one was installed, and it looks way better. Suits the car nicely, and hopefully you guys can see that in the video, and it's not too dark. Not a lot of changes. Actually, the car is nicely packaged as it is. Marcus has added some different shifter paddles. He's also added a Cobb access port. The Cobb's pretty handy with all the sensors. It's currently reading his AFR, boost pressure, coolant temperature, engine oil temperature, his voltage, and his knock retard average. So that's certainly handy to have. Another little cool feature of the car, you guys can see there's a comfort mode, there's a normal, race mode, and of course you can add your own custom mode into it. So here's Marcus's setup. Nice clean engine bay. We'll start with the CTS turbo cold air intake. Really nice piece, definitely drawing in some extra air. He's also running a CTS downpipe. He's complemented that with a resonator delete, and that flows into a OEM muffler. Sounds really nice. I'll do a cold start for you guys so you can hear it. He's also currently on EQT Stage 2 tune with a Sport DSG tune for the tranny. He's also switched the plugs to the Denso 5749. They're a one-step colder racing plug. We're not sure how much power the car is making at the moment. It hasn't been on the dyno, but we're planning on hitting the dyno eventually, taking it to the track and having some fun with it. So let's start up the car and give you guys a nice cold start. hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely a cool little car that anyone can have some fun with. More mods to come, so stay tuned. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.